Upcera, as the reliable materials expert, focuses on material technology and has accumulatively obtained 114 scientific research patents in the dental industry. Hydrothermal raw material production ensures the stability and consistency of our powder. By producing raw materials and having manufacturing facilities, Upcera has the advantage of offering unique product lines, such as Explore, ST, TT, and Hyramic, that satisfy a wide range of prosthetic needs. Upcera is dedicated to providing reliable and affordable aesthetic restoration materials. Our business covers the world, with products sold in more than 110 countries and regions. Together with dentists and technicians, Upcera will continually contribute to the innovation and development of the dental industry.